Hi everyone, in this video, I will talk about how to use ShipStation for beginners. Now, in this video, I'll walk you through how to use ShipStation to manage and ship your e-commerce orders, whether you're shipping 5 or 500 package a day. ShipStation helps you automate, organize, and save money. So let's dive in. First is head to ShipStation.com and start your free trial or log in if you have one. Fill in your company info, shipping origin, and preferences. Choose your time zone, currency, and default package settings. Now some pro tip, use ShipStation's default settings to save time during checkout. Now for selling channels and carriers, first go to settings, then go to selling channels, then store setup. Connect platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, or eBay. Then now go to settings, shipping, and carriers, and add USPS, UPS, FedEx, or use ShipStation's built-in carrier discounts. Now some pro tip is use ShipStation carrier service for USPS and UPS savings. Now for the orders. Orders from your connected stores import automatically. Navigate to the Orders tab to view them, then sort by status, awaiting shipment, on hold, etc. Now, click into any order to view details like address, items, and order weight. Now to create and print labels. Select a single or multiple orders. Choose your shipping carrier and service like USPS Priority Mail. Set the package type, weight, and dimensions. Click Create plus Print Label. Then you're done. Now bonus tip is use a thermal printer like Rollo or Dymo for fast and no ink labels. Now step 5. Automate with shipping rules. Go to Settings, then go to Automation Rules. Example is Auto Supply USPS First Class to all orders under 1 pounds. Another example is Tag international orders in red. This saves tons of time and reduces mistakes. Now, branded customer experience. Under Settings, then go to Branding, Customize, Tracking emails, tracking pages, packing slips with your logo and style. Add return labels to boost trust and conversion. Now, to track performance and use reports. Head to Insights, then go to Reports. To track shipping costs, delivery, delays, and courier usage. Now export reports or use them to optimize your shipping strategy. Now you can import orders, print labels, automate your shipping, and track everything from one dashboard. Now, and that's basically it.